Okay, so I've been having some flight characteristic problems with my Torrent 110, and unfortunately, this started not even 36 hours after purchasing it. So I called Horizon Hobby. The character that I spoke with first suggested it was the flight controller. They sent me a brand new flight controller, and that wasn't it. What's happening is in angle mode or in stability mode, if I try to hover, it will just start to pitch backwards as hard as it can, even trimming the control pitch forward all the way to the max still won't stop it from pitching backwards, but only in angle mode. In the horizon mode or the acro mode, it flies perfect, as it should. So I called Horizon Hobby after installing the new flight controller, and it was a task getting those little spacers back in. Good luck with that. So the guy that I spoke with the second time really sounded like he knew what he was talking about. He said I'm going to have to dampen the flight controller and the motors with some kind of foaming or pad. So maybe Horizon Hobby already knew there was something brewing, because they actually send these right here, two-sided tape motor dampeners. I haven't removed that. I didn't feel a need to remove it because I'm sure it would make it really tricky if I don't line those holes up perfectly when I'm putting the motors back on. So if you look inside of here, I've started the dampening all the way down at the ESC. There is a layer of two-way tape. I'm sorry, there is a two-way tape with a layer of like maybe 1 millimeter thick packaging foam. And then on top of that, I put a little tiny piece of electrical tape because I don't know what that foam will do if it came in contact with the ESC. And then on top of the ESC, I put another couple of little tiny pieces on either end, front and back, of the two-way tape, and another little piece of foam, and then again another little tiny piece of electrical tape, so we don't have any continuity. Looking at it from this angle, it looks like I need to adjust my screws a little bit. I did not put the spacers back in. Instead, I just kept screwing the screws in until it topped out at the bottom of the FPV camera housing. Now from this angle, it looks like I need to adjust it just a little bit. It doesn't look 100% level. So this thing is like triple dampered now. And I'll do a flight video to see if this worked or not, or if they're just BSing. I asked them if I made this mod, this soft mount mod, would they still return the craft? And they said they would probably give in-store credit, so I don't know what that means. Anyway, there it is. Talk to you guys later.